In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the SoFi financial planning tool. Now, this tool is freely available within the SoFi platform that lets you schedule a complimentary appointment. Now, in order to use this feature, you would need to first of all head over to the membership list, which you should be able to find within the dashboard, and simply head over to the unlimited one-on-one financial planning. Apart from this, you also should be able to see the option called financial planning within the dashboard itself, but sometimes it may not be available within the dashboard. So you can simply head over to the membership tab and simply head over to the unlimited one-on-one financial planning section. Now within this section, as I said, you will get a complimentary appointment from a certified financial planner. This service is completely free and is available to all SoFi members, and you also do not require to have a specific account balance. Once you're inside of this section, you can simply choose a topic that you want to talk about, and you can simply pick a time which fits your schedule, which is normally about 30 minutes. So this is the exact steps that you can follow in order to use the SoFi financial planning tool. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.